Hello everyone, Mark here and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng tutorial kung paano i-activate ang smart SIM card na bigay ng DepEd. So ayun, let's start! Ayun, so biniksan na natin yung ating SIM card kanina at ready na natin i-insert sa ating cellphone. So ayun, na-insert na natin yung ating SIM card sa ating cellphone. So ang unang gagawin natin is to download the application na GigaLife. Okay, so if you're using iPhone, just go to your App Store, and if you're using Android naman, you can go to your Google Play Store. Tapos isi-search lang natin dito yung Giga. Okay, GigaLife. Tapos i-download lang natin. Okay, ayan. So once na na-download na natin, kaya nang nandirito, all you have to do is to click on open. So same din lang sa Android, just click on open para mag-open yung ating application. Ayun, ang next na gagawin natin is to click on next. Tapos we have to click on get started. Then your first login, make sure your smart PNP mobile data is turned on and your Wi-Fi is switched off. Okay, so dito, kasi ang gamit ko ay Wi-Fi, so I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi and then i-on natin yung ating mobile data. Sundan natin. Off natin ang Wi-Fi and then turn on natin ang ating mobile data. Turn off mo na rin ang Bluetooth. Okay? So, makikita natin doon, we now have our LTE here. So, just click on continue based on the instruction. Then, just click on get started. Marami nakalagay dyan. Get started lang tayo. Then in here, insert our number, tapos copy natin yan, and then just click on sign up. I-click natin yung sign up dito sa baba. Ito. Okay? And then, lalagay natin yung password natin dito. Ang password daw dito, it should be for 8 to 20 characters, at least one capital letter, A to Z, capital letter, at least one lowercase, A to Z, and then at least one number 0 to 9. Then, don't use the following, we have yan, and then no spaces. Ayan, makikita naman natin kung yung nilagay nating password is valid kapag nag-check na green lahat ng nandito sa list. Then after that, we just click on done. Okay, and then click on sign up. Upon clicking on the sign up, mayroong lalabas doon or magsisend dito mismo sa number na to na one-time PIN. As you can see, it is here. So, ilalagay lang natin dito, tatype natin, or i-click ko lang yan, and then just click on proceed. So, i-click natin yung proceed, and then, meron siyang terms and condition na nakalagay dyan, ang haba-haba niyan. Usually, kiniklik lang natin yan. Pero balikan natin, importanteng basahin natin yung terms and condition na yan. Then, just click on I accept. Once na na-click na natin yung I accept, ito yung screen na magpapakita sa atin. Makikita natin dito, we have our DepEd 349. Ito yung sinubscribe ng DepEd sa Smart para sa ating mga guro. So, to check our usage, we can just click on the check usage na nandito. Tapos, makikita natin dito, we have our Study Anywhere, which is 1.02. And then, we have our shareable data, which is 4.10 gig. And then we have 100 MB free data from the GigaLife. So ayun, itong Study Anywhere, we have actually 1 gig every day. Okay? So mamamonitor natin dito sa GigaLife na nagkakaroon tayo ng 1 gig every day, no? Provided ng smart yan. Then we also have our shareable data, which is 4.10 gigabyte. Kaya siya tinawag na shareable data, it's because we can share this data sa ibang number natin. Like, kung meron tayong talk and text or other smart number, pwede nating i-share itong data na to para at least magamit din ng ibang smart SIM card natin yung data na narito. Ayun, so subukan din natin kung meron siyang free text and free load to call other smart network or smart number. So, ayan, magme-message tayo dito sa ating Sun Cellular number with a sample. Titignan natin kung makakapag-send siya. And as you notice, hindi siya nakapag-send. Try natin kung makakatawag din siya. And yun, hindi siya nakatawag. Ano po? Ayan, so sabi sa memo natin, all SIM cards which will be activated with an initial 34 gig load on 30 June 30, 2021, which will be usable for 1 year. SIM cards which are not registered on the website will not be loaded for the second month. Additional guidelines will be released for the provision of the connectivity load in the succeeding month. So, hihintayin lang natin yung memo or hihintayin lang natin yung ibang memo with regards to the guidelines ng ating SIM card or connectivity load. Ayun, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-receive ng SIM card or hindi ka nakasama doon sa list, you can check on this site, which is depedconnect.com.ph, and then follow the instruction. Siguro bibigyan naman tayo ng notice or i-inform naman tayo kung marireceive na natin yung ating SIM card. Okay, which will be released by our supply officers and school property custodians. Okay, so yun. If you think this video is helpful, please click the like and subscribe and comment down below. Maraming salamat, stay safe, and God bless you all.